That motor dying. Demon Eye. Jeez. I like this color. It's sick. Yeah, so this season's been pretty quiet. My boy Nitish, his car's down. A lot of other guys sold their boosted VQs. So we still got my boy Fion, has his twin turbo APS G35 built motor. He's still around, drives it a lot. So I'm trying to join him and Nitish, have some fun together, you know. So yeah, I pretty much did everything I could do to this car. The plans that I had for this car, the vision I had for this car, the pictures I saved of other builds.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Thank you.
Let's try to keep a low profile in this mission.
So yeah, you could change the voice on that, by the way. So that's pretty sick. Gonna get my coffee in the morning. Season's almost done. I'm still gonna drive this thing until snow hits. So I just like driving this car so much. So gotta get it ready. Wink wink for next season. And I might have to put a pillar pod here too. Probably just gonna do 2 because I have 5 gauges. Hold on, I gotta order my coffee there, but hold up.
Hi there, good morning. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'll get a large double with milk, please.
Okay.
That's all.
Open it up, please.
Thank you. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get that double with milk, bro. So yeah, car's running mint. Car's running good so far. Once we dive into boost, whole different game. You're gonna have to like expect like the worst to happen. We gotta be headstrong in this in the game. It's not easy at all, and you gotta have deep pockets and stuff. So we're gonna do everything we can do the best. I've done a lot of research, and I'm trying to do the best. Tony at Dyna Motorsports will tune my car. I trust him. He can do it. Yeah, we're gonna have this thing crazy by now.